Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again, and this is FM Graphic Design. Please, if you are new here, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. So in today's lesson, I'm going to take you through the interface of CorelDRAW. So it is all about CorelDRAW interface. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the interface you see when you open it for the first time, and that is CorelDRAW. You see the workspace right here, light, classic, the defaults here. If you are connected, you see them, the classics there. You have advanced and others here. So this is the welcome screen. You see file, tool, window, help, minimize, restore, close, and this is your account. This is the color palette. Okay, all right, and you can't just start working here. So let's come to where the welcome screen is. Then you click at the plus sign here to create a new document. There's a box there, so when you have the same box there, just click on it. So it is telling us new, start a new document. So click. So when you click, it will bring you this dialog box. So the first one is name, then we have the preset destination where you can customize as CorelDRAW default RGB, web, default CMYK, and others. So right now we can just write something there like KSB, or let's say 1 on let's say 1 on Intel. Okay, so we are done. So we want to customize it. We don't want CorelDRAW default, so we are customizing it. And the size, you can come here and choose any paper size you want. So we should use A4 for this way. So you can come here to change the units as well. So let's work in inches. And then this is the orientation right here. You can use the portrait or the landscape, so we are going to use landscape to work. So we have it here, and then you have number of pages. It depends on the number of pages you want, then you can do it right here, but we just want 1. And then we have primary color mode, which is CMYK, and then we have the RGB. So CMYK is for print work. Printers have actually been designed to suit CMYK colors. Okay, so it picks those colors directly. So when you want to design for print, which means that when you want your design to be printed out, you design using the CMYK format. But right now our design, we need it just on screen, so you take the RGB. Okay, so this is the resolution. So the resolution, actually it depends on the size of design you are doing. So normally you just leave it at 300. When it is too big enough, you can reduce it. Okay, so you can come here and take maybe 100. And then this is the preview mode. You can take the normal, the wireframe, the drafts, the enhance, or the pixels, but I prefer using pixels and enhance. Okay, so just click OK to be at the safer side. Also, don't take this, do not shoot this dialog box again, because this helps you mostly to set up your page. I hope that is clear. So let's click OK, then our page will be open for us. Okay, so it is actually opening. So when it opens, we'll take you through how the interface actually works. So this is CorelDRAW you are seeing right here. Okay, so we have a full screen preview where I am now right here. We want to preview your work, so this is the working space. And then when you come here, this is the pages. Okay, and you can rename the page. So you can right click on the page, then go to what, rename. So I can just write something here, KSB or graphic works. Okay, then I'll click OK. So I've just renamed the page. You can still delete the page by right clicking on the page right here, and you can delete it. No, it is not active. So let me add one page. This way you add one page. Okay, now come here and then you can delete it. Okay, that is how it is being done. Or you can duplicate the page. That is how it is. You can insert other pages right here. Okay, so let's come to this side. This is the tools we use in COREL. So right here we have the shape tool, we have the crop tool, we have the zoom, we have the pen tool, we have the brush, we have the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, which is the circle, we have the polygon tool, we have the text tool, we have the parallel dimensional tool, we have the straight line connector tool, we have the drop shadow tool, then we have the transparency tool, we have color eyedropper tool, and then we have interactive fill tool, and then the smart fill tool. So when you come to the tabs here, when you come to file, this way you can do several things as an let's say saving your documents. This way you can go for new documents, new from templates, open recent. You can save your work right here. You can click on save as here. You can export your work here. You can do print merge, and we are going to take all this one by one. You can come to view and change the view you want. So at the first dialog box that came, you will see these views there. So when you are working, you can be changing the view regarding to what you are doing. So you can come here if you want to show your grid line, the guideline, the rulers, and everything right here. When you come to the layout, we have the duplicate page. You can rename as we have done. You can delete the page. You can go to page, switch page orientation, let's say landscape or portrait. So when you come to objects, there are several things here. When you come to effect, you can adjust the picture, transform, or do correction. We have artistic media that we talk about right at the tool panel there. We have the blend, the contour, the envelope, the extrude, the bevel, and we are going to work with all of them. So we have several things here. When you come to the text, you see bulletin, drop car, font, playground, insert formatting code, insert character. So let's say you have Ghana cedis and all those things are there. When you come to table, we have it there. When you come to tools, we have other things here. And when you come to tools here, you have macro. You can create macro to generate your calendar. Okay, so we have all these things. You can go to help, that will send you online to search for other things. And this is where we have the color palette right here. Okay, and that is basically about the interface. So let's do one thing. Let's just do one thing. Let's come right here where the rectangle is and draw rectangle and see how it works here. So let's click, just click. Then when you click, you see this box with the cross sign. So we just click and drag to draw a nice rectangle. So it is done. So this is the pick tool. So click on it and you can go and choose any color of yours. So okay, so there's it. You choose the color. Now when you come here, you can see there's 0.5 points there, and this is about the outline. So let's take 4 for you to see the outline well. Have you seen it have decreased? Let me go back for you to see very well. Let me take 8 rather. So have you seen how big it is? Okay, so when you want to change the outline color to, just come to the color panel here. It is very easy. All you need to do is right click, then you have your outline color. Is this thing not nice? Let's come to full screen and see. Is it not nice? So right now we are able to do this simple thing here, and you can use this for designs as well. Okay, so let's come right here. So this, which is the text tool. Then pick the text tool, just click and then wait, and you can type. So maybe I love graphic. So I love graphics. So when you are done, click on the big tool before you can be able to take it nicely onto it. Everything. So hold the edge, then you can just resize it. You can click here to bold, okay, and then red with white. So click here, then you have your white color. So right now we are able to do this simple design. Okay, I love graphics. So that is basically about today's lesson, and then I hope to see you up to the end of this program. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.